Hi friends, in this video we have to learn about the class variables in a Python. So what is a class variable? You can see here a class variable is a variable that is defined inside the class but outside any method shared by all objects, that is the instance of that class. So what is the class variable? Class variable is defined inside a class and outside any method and shared by all objects and instance of a class. So you can see the syntax. Suppose a class and class name. This is a class name and class variable equals to value. So inside the class and outside the methods. So this is called as the class variable. You can see the example. Suppose class student and school name is a ABC school, right? So this is a class variable. So def init, this is a constructor and self name. Suppose self dot name equals to name. So this is a instance variable. You can see this is a init method or constructor method variable. This is called as instance and outside the method this is a class variables. So here you can see we have created two objects S1 and S2. So student equals to Rahul and student equals to Anita. So you can see here print S1 dot school name and print S2 dot school name. So you can see output is a ABC school, ABC school. So both objects share the same school name. So that's why class is a shared data. So we can share this class name, class variable school name equals to ABC school. So we can share with the all the objects. You can see the important points here. If you change the class variable, then student dot school name xyz. So all objects will reflect the updated value, and you can change by using directly class name, not by instance or object. So let's see this example in our VS Code so you can understand very well. So let's open your VS Code. So this is a VS Code and I have created this folder class variable and class method. So let's create one file class variable .py. So suppose this is a class student and inside that class just I am declaring one class variable school underscore name equals to, suppose this is a ABC school. So class variable is shared by the all objects. So this is a class variable. Now just create one another init method out. This is called as a constructor as well. So def underscore init and self, just pass the name. So here self dot name equals to name. When you use self keyword means this is a instance variable. So remember this, and this is an instance method as well. So this is a instance variable. You can see here, this is a instance variable. Now create a two object of the student class, S1 and S2. So S1 equals to students, and in the student just pass the name, just because you have created the constructor. So Rahul, and second object S2 equals to students Anita, and now you have to print the school name. And what is the school name? School name is a class variable. So you can see by both objects school name will be the same. Print s1 dot school name, print s2 dot school name. Now you will get the same output for object 1 and object 2. So just check. You can see ABC school, ABC school. So that's all about the class variable. You can declare inside the class but outside the method, and you can call directly by object or a class name as well. So that's all about the class variable. Here you can see by object, or you can call directly by I will show you one thing another. You can see print students dot, you can see this is a school name, right? So you can call this class variable directly by class name or object name as well. You can see in terminal 3 school name, because the third is we are calling directly by a class name, student dot school name. So class variable is just same like a static variable. So you can call directly by a class name and object name as you, student dot school name or s2 dot school name. So that's all about the class variable. So thank you for watching this video.